First semester BCom examination, March-April 2023. NEP solved question paper. Commerce. Principles of marketing. Section A. 1. Answer any 6 sub-question. Each sub-question carries 2 marks. 2x 6 equals 12. A. What is marketing? Marketing is a planned process through which organizations primarily identify the needs of the people and then recognize target customer among the people, satisfy the needs the customer by selling products and services, and most importantly retain the customers. B. What is personal selling? Personal selling is face-to-face selling where one person who is the salesman tries to convince the customer to buy a product assigned by the company. It is a promotional activity by which the salesperson uses his or her skills and abilities to persuade people to buy the product, thereby in an attempt to make a sale. C. Expand FMCG. FMCG, fast-moving consumer goods. D. What is product mix? Product mix can be understood as offering many lines of product by one organization. Each product line may consist of range of items or sublines. An organization's product mix has the important proportion that is length, width and depth. A. State 2. Importance of online marketing. Cost effectiveness, wide reach, speed. F. What is branding? Branding is the process of giving a meaning to specific organization, company, products or services by creating and shaping a brand in consumers' minds. It is a strategy designed by organizations to help people to quickly identify and experience their brand, and give them a reason to choose their products over the competitions, by clarifying what this particular brand is and is not. G. What is social media marketing? Social media marketing is the use of social media platforms to promote products, services, or brands, engage with target audiences, and drive website traffic. It involves creating and sharing content, running advertisements, and analyzing performance to achieve business goals. H. Give the meaning of value. It is also called as customers' perceived benefits. It is the difference between customers' evaluation of benefit and cost of one product. Therefore, value equals cost minus benefit. Section B. Answer any 3 questions. Each question carries 4 marks. 4x 3 equals 12. 2. Explain the importance of marketing. Marketing helps in transfer, exchange and movement of goods. It creates employment. Marketing helps to generate income. Act as the basis of making decisions. Marketing act as a source of new idea. Marketing helps in economic development. 3. Analyze the objectives of market research. Market research. It is defined as the process of evaluating feasibility of the new product or service through research conducted directly with potential customer. This method allows organization or business to discover their target market, collect and document opinions and make informed decisions. It can be conducted directly by organization or can be outsourced. Objectives of marketing research. Administrative objectives, social objectives, economical objective. 4. Explain the value delivery process. Value delivery. It is the manner in which you design products such that it gives maximum value to the customers using it. Value delivery process. Choosing the value, providing the value, communicating the value. 5. Explain the functions of marketing intermediaries. Buying and assembling, storage, transportation, distribution, selling, promotion. 6. What are the benefits of green marketing process? Discuss. Long-term growth, saves money, environment aspects of marketing, gaining competitive advantage, efficient use of resources, consumer attraction, innovation, sustainability. Section C. Answer any 3 questions. Each question carries 12 marks. 12x 3 equals 36. 7. Explain the different approaches in study of marketing. Commodity or product approach, institutional approach, functional approach, management approach, system approach, societal approach, legal approach, economic approach. 8. Discuss how components of macro environment determines marketing plan of firms. Macro environment. The organization factors which affect indirectly on organizational activities, and such factors are not in control of the organization. They are said to be the macro environment factors, and they are demographic environment, economic environment, natural environment, technological environment, political environment, global factors, social and cultural forces, legal factors. 9. Explain the different methods of promotion. Advertising, sales promotion, personal selling, direct marketing, public relations and publicity, events and experiences, interactive marketing, word of mouth marketing, online promotion, discounting, coupons and vouchers. 10. What is price? Explain the methods of pricing policy. Price. Price is a consideration given in exchange of transferring of ownership. Or, it is an amount or value fixed by the manufacturer to be received in time of exchange of the good and services. Methods of pricing policy. On the basis of customer. Odd-even pricing. Psychological pricing. Prestige pricing. Dual pricing. Price lining. On the basis of the competition. Penetration pricing. Skimmed pricing. Monopoly pricing. Administrated pricing. On the basis of cost and demand. Cost-based pricing. Demand-based pricing. Target rate pricing. On the basis of geographic. FOB, free on-board pricing. Zone pricing. Basic point pricing. 11. Discuss in detail various steps involved in development of new product. Idea generation. Idea screening. Concept of generation. Marketing strategy. Business analysis. Product development. Trust marketing. Commercialization. Thank you. Subscribe.